number of whooping cough cases continues to climb in Missoula County, with more reported today. Ellen Leahy with the Missoula City-County Health Department says as of today there are now 32 confirmed cases of pertussis. The Frenchtown School District says the student has been tested positive for the disease, and they're working with the health department to notify other close contacts of students there. If students start to develop symptoms, you're still being advised to contact your doctor and alert them that they may have been exposed to pertussis. Cases have also been confirmed in several Missoula County schools, Lolo School, and the Florence Carlton School District.